Fort McMurray, Alberta, the heart of Canada's traditional energy industry, is a diverse community of hardworking people.
For those who live here, the oil sands provides a healthy source of income that people build their lives on.
Climate change and greenhouse gas emissions have taken center stage as a global challenge.
Due to the remoteness of the community and economic focus on petroleum development, many people are not fully aware of the opportunities that alternative energy presents.
At Westwood, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics learning has been the driving force behind our environmental projects.
This is our school greenhouse.
It has heating powered by solar and wind.
Alternative energy has powered so many of our projects.
Our new goal is to take our knowledge of sustainability and share it with students in grade 4 through 9.
We'll host weekend STEM camps to educate younger students about alternative energy solutions and provide them with an environment that fosters critical thinking and teamwork.
Attendees will examine real-time output data from our rooftop solar panels.
Students will apply critical thinking to solve multiple challenges, like experimenting to find the optimal angle to place a solar panel.
Participants will use wireless sensors and tablets to collect and monitor data about their environment.
Students will learn how to integrate technology into projects like our net zero aquaponics system.
We are working today for a better tomorrow.